trade zone is a geographic area that contains a high density of retail, commercial, or financial infrastructure.
Well, the script. Trade zone is a geographic area with a dense retail infrastructure.
Trade zone is the geographic area to comply with all bunch of the retailers like food, entertainment, and people can shop.
For example, like Taipei 101 or some shopping mall is the place to attract the retail synergies.
Trade zones are areas inside an urban environment where people interact with retailers, where they eat, sometimes it's where they work, sometimes it's where they live, and sometimes it's only shopping.
Major retailers, or key anchors, are the destination sites that smaller retailers and food shops cluster around.
Trade zone is important because all the retailers, they want to attract the key customers. People tend to shop and do the entertainment in the same area. So that's why they want to open a store in the trade zone.
Trade zone are the area to help you find high potential.
By dividing a market into smaller areas, you can clearly identify where consumers live, work, shop, and play. By overlaying your retail or banking sites on top of trade zones, you can begin to understand where you have some level of deficit in your brand coverage through physical sites, marketing, or sales channels.
The difference is now, from the past, is that now consumers have mobile devices. Consumers are really eager to go to trade zones for a shopping experience. They're not buying though. Before they would buy in the trade zone. Now they'll go in, they'll shop, they'll look at what they like, and then they'll quickly use their mobile device or their pad, and they're going to go out and figure out where else they could buy it for cheaper. So for higher end retailers, trade zones are about an experience. Starbucks is a really interesting example because they've always been about the experience of drinking the coffee. It's not about the purchase price of coffee. You have to buy it in there, but it's about sitting down, it's about the environment.
The brand retailer, they can use the trade zone to do their business planning, where to open the new stores. They can also use the trade zone to evaluate their store performance, if they are doing good or bad.
One of the things that Getchy is really focused on right now, which is really important for retailers, is figuring out how to help understand the changes with consumer behavior and mobile devices. Consumers just aren't traveling the same. Consumers really don't like getting text messages that are stupid and meaningless. So figuring out what kind of message to put into what device, when and where is going to be a big, big deal. Getchy helps supply the analytics, both in terms of the data and the analytic tools, so that you can figure this out.
There's a very interesting theory called 2080. It means 20% area always represents 80% market potential. So if you can find the lowest 20% area, it can help you to quickly target the market share you want to, and it saves your time and the cost.